Comprehensive Step-by-Step English Study Plan for Success Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your English skills, we've got an exciting and effective step-by-step English study plan tailored just for you. If you're in St. John, NB, Canada, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the plan and set you on the path to English language proficiency. Embrace the chance to study now, as your success solely depends on you. Seize the opportunity and let your determination and effort pave the path to knowledge and greatness. Remember, do the things to yourself because nobody else will.
Welcome to Canada Smart Mind, the premier Canadian school dedicated to helping you achieve your dreams. Whether you are looking to further your education, improve your skills, or advance your career, we are here to support you every step of the way.
Step 1. Setting clear goals. The foundation of any successful study plan is setting clear and achievable goals. Determine why you want to improve your English. Is it for better career prospects, travel, or personal growth? Write down your goals and keep them in mind throughout your journey. Step 2. Assessing your current level before you start. It's essential to assess your current English proficiency level. This will help you identify your strengths and weaknesses. You can use online language assessment tools or consult language schools in St. John, NB, Canada, such as contact St. John Language Academy, address 123 Main Street. Step 3. Creating a study schedule. Consistency is key. Design a study schedule that fits your daily routine. Allocate specific time slots for reading, writing, listening, and speaking practice. Make sure to include breaks to keep your learning experience enjoyable. Step 4. Building your vocabulary. Expand your vocabulary by learning a set number of new words every day. Use flashcards, language learning apps, and resources like Contact St. John Public Library, address 456 Elm Avenue, to find engaging reading materials. Step 5. Enhancing listening skills. Listen to English podcasts, watch movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos in English. Focus on various accents and speaking speeds to improve your comprehension. Check out Contact English Listening Hub, address 789 Oak Street, for curated listening resources. Step 6. Practicing speaking. Practice speaking English daily. Engage in conversations with native speakers if possible, or join language exchange groups in St. John, NB, Canada. This can be a great opportunity to apply what you've learned. Step 7. Mastering grammar and writing. Study English grammar rules and practice writing essays, articles, or journal entries. You can seek guidance from Contact St. John Writing Society, address 567 Pine Road, for writing workshops and resources. Step 8. Taking regular assessments. Periodically assess your progress through mock tests and quizzes. This will help you identify areas that need further improvement and adjust your study plan accordingly. Step 9. Seeking professional guidance. Consider enrolling in language courses offered by institutions like Contact St. John Language Institute, address 789 Maple Avenue. Experienced teachers can provide structured lessons and personalized guidance. Step 10. Staying motivated. Learning a language is a journey, and there might be challenges along the way. Stay motivated by celebrating your achievements, connecting with fellow learners in St. John, NB, Canada, and reminding yourself of the exciting opportunities mastering English can bring. Conclusion. Congratulations on taking the first step towards English language proficiency. With this comprehensive step-by-step English study plan, you're equipped with the tools and resources you need to succeed. Remember, consistency and dedication are key. Feel free to reach out to the contacts mentioned in the description for additional support and guidance. Keep learning, stay positive, and enjoy the process. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.
Tell us in the comments below which topics you feel are better for you. And remember to hit the bell icon and subscribe yourself. Now, let's get back to the video.
Here are some examples to illustrate the different steps of the English study plan. Step 1. Setting clear goals. Example goal: I want to be able to confidently hold conversations in English during my upcoming business trip to Toronto. Step 2. Assessing your current level. If you're unsure about your proficiency level, you might take an online assessment like the one provided by the St. John Language Academy. This could help you determine whether you're at a beginner, intermediate, or advanced level. Step 3. Creating a study schedule example. 8 a.m. 9 a.m. Morning vocabulary practice 12 p.m. 1 p.m. Lunchtime reading 4 p.m. 4:30 p.m. Listening practice 7 p.m. 8 p.m. Speaking practice with language exchange partner. Step 4. Building your vocabulary example. Learn 5 new words each day. For instance, learn words like diligent, perplexed, vibrant, meticulous, and resilient. Step 5. Enhancing listening skills. Listen to an English podcast like TED Talks Daily, or watch a movie like Harry Potter in English to practice your listening skills. This helps you become accustomed to different accents and pronunciations. Step 6. Practicing speaking. Find a language exchange partner through a platform like Meetup in St. John, NB, Canada. Meet regularly to engage in conversations and improve your speaking skills. Step 7. Mastering grammar and writing. Write a short essay about your favorite travel destination, using correct grammar and sentence structure. Seek feedback from the St. John Writing Society to improve your writing skills. Step 8. Taking regular assessments. Take a mock speaking test using online resources, or enroll in a speaking class at the St. John Language Institute to gauge your progress. Step 9. Seeking professional guidance. Enroll in the Advanced English course offered by the St. John Language Institute. Their experienced teachers will provide in-depth lessons on advanced grammar and communication techniques. Step 10. Staying motivated. Celebrate your achievements, such as successfully ordering a meal in English at a local restaurant. Connect with fellow learners at language exchange events in St. John to share experiences and stay motivated. Remember, these are just examples, and you can tailor each step to fit your individual preferences and needs. The key is to maintain consistency and enjoy the learning journey.
I thank all the support of Canada Smart Mind and thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you at the next one.